Alright, Joe, what's going on? Been super busy getting some things together with the Speed Challenge car. We redid motor ESC and all that. Been getting this thing together with the new fan shrouds and all that good stuff. And she just looks so beautiful. And all my new goodies I've been getting. Got another new product sent to me, guys. This Kingvale motor was sent to me, and it is a 5600. We'll just take a little sneak peek. It is now in the speedrun car, 5600 kV with boom. I ain't gonna tell you what that is yet, but yeah, we got that going on. This thing's gonna fly, and yeah, but we're gonna do the review on that motor when we do our next speed run. So I'll leave a link in the description and where you can pick one of these up at, guys. And yeah. Thank you for sending it out to me, buddy. I appreciate you for that, man. That was awesome of you. And guys, we got another new car coming to the channel that's been sent out to us. Things are just happening over here. We got this one getting ready to get out, get ripping. This one getting ready to get out. The X-Max is back up and running. We got cars sitting everywhere, guys. There's big things happening over here. We're trying to make everything happen at once. My boy got his drone batteries. Everybody knows Crowley sent us all them goodies. We got the speed challenge going. What else we got going on now? I got the little drift car. Like I said, I got another new car coming, so it's been real busy over here, guys, and trying to get everything going with this speed challenges and all these new cars. Look at this thing, y'all. We're getting ready to thicken up the center diff fluid in this real quick, y'all, and then I'll be out ripping her. I know I've been saying I'm gonna get a video of this out again, but we're gonna get that center diff fixed up, and I got a big surprise coming for this. Huge coming for this. I ain't gonna tell a single soul till this thing shows up, because this to me is massive. So we ain't gonna say that. We got a couple little brushless motors going on over here out of the Rolalo, and I'm waiting on an ESC because this one was funny acting. And there's the 60 amp we just took out of there. We're gonna slap that in the drift car. A lot going on over here at Black Sheep, y'all, so stay tuned. And another thing I got going on, guys, I want to share with y'all real quick is at 500 subscribers, which is coming quick. I'm going to be giving away a 6S lipo from RC Lipo, and I'm also going to be giving away a set of carbon fiber shock towers and a steering system from Basher Queen herself, from Kimberly. And those things are going to be given away at my 500 subscribers. So make sure you tell your friends, get me to this 500 mark so we can give out some free stuff, y'all. I've been blessed enough to be getting some things coming in my way, and I want to share the wealth and kick back to everybody that supports and been watching me throughout the last little year or so and having some fun along the way. But we're going to start hopefully taking off around here, and yeah, stay tuned, everybody. Let everybody know Black Sheep 6S lipo and Basher Queen carbon fiber steering kit and towers at 500 subs. Let's go.